Welcome back to Nutrition Connection. In today's video, let's go through the foods allowed and not allowed for diabetic patients. Diabetes is a chronic metabolic disorder that prevents the body to utilize glucose so that the blood glucose level raises. A proper dietary pattern can bring the blood glucose level back to normal. Certain green leafy vegetables, fruits less in sugar content can be consumed. Thank you for watching the video. Make a change in your diet and stay away from diabetes.
Nutrition Connection. Connect your plate, mind and body.